In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Look upon the women. Let's try to learn something from them. Someone might say, how can we learn from the women? We can learn from everyone else. Look upon how sensitive the women are towards their physical appearance. And they rely a lot upon the makeup, upon the cosmetics, not only upon the cosmetics, rather, even who is going to apply the cosmetics? I mean, the cheaper beauty parlors, saloons are the expensive one. Even this thing matters whether somebody agrees or not, but the women do. A child is born, every child is born, and it might be that they did inherit certain things, but their grooming matters a lot. The training, the education matters a lot. Matters a lot, really. And this makes a big difference. Women are paying huge attention to the makeup, to the cosmetics, to the dressings. What are they wearing? And other things as well. A child is dependent a lot upon the grooming, training, education, and after that, dressing, and so many other things. Why am I discussing upon it? Why am I talking upon it? Whatever circumstances we do have, whatever situation we are passing through, how we describe this situation to ourselves and to others brings a big difference in our life. How we think and feel about the people we are interacting with, how we think, we feel, we portray it to the other people, the people with whom we are not having important things to share, to depend, to rely, to interact. So, our description matters a lot. Not only the situation and the circumstances, rather, the description about one thing, about one event matters a lot. Like, it is a kind of presentation. Presentation. Look, speak to the real estate agents. The way they project their product, the product they are going to sell, they want to sell, or even better, look upon the advertisements. Look upon the advertisements. Advertisements make something glorify. They succeed in catching the attention of the people, motivating the people to buy it. That is the purpose of advertisements. And marketing has become very important nowadays. How we think, describe about the situation, the life, the circumstances we are having really matters a lot. Matters a lot, really. Although improving the situation, rectifying the errors, mistakes matters a lot. I'm not negating the importance of that. I'm not negating it. Rather, that comes first. Presentation, description comes then. But it is also important. Why it is important? I shall like to ask you a question. What about the positive thinking? How much of it? How much emphasizes is being laid upon it? How much of the emphasizes is being laid upon the positive thinking? Everybody, every psychologist, every psychiatrist, every wise person, every happy person will be found advising, motivating, convincing, persuading the people, uh, and particularly persuading their loved ones to think positively. Why to think positively? So that they could become happy, they could stay happy, and they could become more productive as well. And whatever circumstances and situations we are having, these situations and these circumstances are the ideal of many, many, and many people, but they are unable to achieve, they are unable to reach, they are unable to be in a situation, in the circumstances where we are living. So that is why I think so that whatever sort of circumstances, situations we are undergoing, I think so that it is very important, it is very important, it is very important to describe it in a beautiful manner, in a positive manner. If at all the description we are having is a positive one, is a constructive one, is a beneficial one, believe me or not, on the one hand we become happy people, on the other hand we become even more productive person. Not only the happiness, not only the productivity, rather the people around us, they will like to interact with us, they will like to be with us, they will like to spend some of their time with us. Why? Because we are quite a pleasing personality, because we are quite a pleasant personality, because we are the positive thinkers. I am not suggesting, I repeat my words, I am not suggesting that we don't need to rectify the mistake, we don't need to make the improvements, and we don't need to take it seriously. Rather, it is quite seriously, it should be taken quite seriously. But simultaneously, I believe that our description of the events, our description of the life we are living in, our description of the circumstances and the situations we are facing, I think this too matters. And this does matter, like the cosmetic does, like the dressing does, like the advertisements. The most beautiful and the most precise example is that of the advertisement. If at all we do look upon how something is being produced, how some edible thing is being produced in the factory, we might not be able to eat it even if it is given to us free of cost. But once it is made and once it is packed, now look upon the packing, now look upon the marketing, now look upon the advertisement. If at all we do look upon these things, we will be highly motivated and persuaded to not only eat it, rather to spend some of our money upon the purchases of these items. So that is why I suggest and I emphasize that whatever situation and whatever circumstances we do have, we must be able to understand the importance of the description. We should describe it in such a way that on the one hand it would be pleasing for us, on the other hand it would be pleasing for the other people as well. Thank you. Jazakallah.